What's up? I said I would make one like every week last video, but we just hit 150 views. So here is an Angel Happy song. And I have 2 assistants now. So yeah. He's pulling up the video right now. Okay, that was the Angel song. I just thank you all for 150 views. And my next video will be popular on the web. By the way, popular on the web, I think I said this last video, but popular on the web is going to last 10 episodes. I'm already on the 4th one. So I'll do another popular on the web next week. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. After one more question, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and mushroom head out. Bye.